Today I gotta send a big thank you out to Chris for coming by and helping me install the 220 outlet for the welder. That runs up and over there to the panel. Nice professional installation. So we already had the circuit breakers here and the wires run from the house. We just had to break out to the outlet. So since I had 220, kind of set this up over here. This is going to end up being a welding cart once I'm done with it. But I did the bomb. So I think I have a lot of improvement since the last time you've seen me. Pretty good. Let me see here. Put my initials in the back. That's pretty good. I think I'm ready to start doing real projects. You can see where I started. And pretty hot still. But yeah, there's some of the later welds there. I could probably fix this up a little bit. But yeah, I'd say massive improvement. Cool little bomb. I guess it's I guess it's like a piggy bank. Came with this little plug here. That's gonna go in there. Once it cools off, it'll melt right now. So I'm gonna let it cool off. But I wanted to send a huge thank you out to Chris for coming out and helping me with the power situation and all that, and give you guys an update. We are going to, well, I am going to turn this into a welding cart. I'm going to use angle iron around the bottom. I'm going to have a spot where the tank sits, and then some tubes to hold the TIG rods. But for right now, I just kind of have my temporary setup here. So yeah, I think I'm ready to move forward with car projects. So I'm going to say I learned to weld good enough to get it going. So anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, and here's a little time lapse of me doing the finish weld on this. I didn't get a time lapse of tacking it. I should have.